Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of restricting an account in Facebook Messenger. If you want to set boundaries and limit interactions with a specific account, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store. Tap on it to open the app. Step 2. In the search bar, type Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a blue and pink gradient featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app and select Install. Alternatively, you can hold the option and tap on Install for additional settings. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in using your usual Facebook credentials. Step 5. Go to the specific chat where the account you want to restrict is located. Tap on it to open the conversation. Step 6. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the person's or account's name. Step 7. Scroll down to the end of the menu and find the option labeled Restrict. Tap on it. Step 8. Tap on Restrict Name. Replace name with the actual name of the account you want to restrict. By following these simple steps, you can easily restrict an account in Facebook Messenger, allowing you to control the interactions and protect your online experience. This feature is particularly useful when you want to limit communication or prevent unwanted interactions from specific accounts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.